Educator X, learn and grow your thinking. Mathematics, primary school living examination 12. We shall follow the following steps for great results. Read the Roman figure number 1. Read the question or problem. Roman figure number 2. Find the solution to your question or problem. Roman figure number 3. Work out a solution to a question or problem. Roman figure number 4. Write down the letter of the correct answer. Number 1. What is the place value of 3 in number 7,834? The answer is B. Number 2. Which of the following numbers 15, 23, 34 and 49 is even? The answer is B. Number 3. What is 658,295 when rounded off to the nearest 100,000? The answer is A. Number 4. Work out 7,567 plus 1,659. The answer is A. Number 5. What is the number 5 when written in Roman numerals? The answer is C. The table below shows a train journey from Gaborone to Serule, stopping at some villages as shown in the table. As you can see the table there, the place arrival departure means that the train left at Gaborone at 6 o'clock and it arrived at Magalape at 8:30. And it left Magalape at 9. Then it arrived at Palape at 9:45. Then it left at Palape at 10:15. Then it arrived at Serule at 11:15. Number 6. The train was at which place at 9:45? The answer is C. Number 7. How many decades are there in 500 years? The answer is B. Number 8. Which of the following expression has the same value as 2 plus open brackets 3 plus 4 close brackets? The answer is D. Number 9. What is 1 meter cube when expressed in liters? The answer is C. Number 10. What is the value of 3 times 4 plus 6 divided by 3? The answer is B. Number 11. Arrange the numbers 0.12, 0.04, 0.1, and 0.4 in order starting with the largest. The answer is D. The bar chart below shows the number of people who visited the hospital from Monday to Thursday. Use it to answer question 12 and 13. As you can see that chart. Number 12. On which day was the hospital visited by the largest number of people? The answer is C. Number 13. What is the total number of people who visited the hospital on Monday and Thursday? The answer is D. Below are the ages of 9 students in a class. Use them to answer question 14 and 15. Number 14. What is the modal age of the students? The answer is D. Number 15. What is the median age of the students? The answer is B. Number 16. What is the next number in the sequence? 5, 9, 13, 17. The answer is C. Number 17. What is the largest common factor of 60 and 72? The answer is C. Number 18. Which statement is true? The answer is A. Number 19. Palesa and John shared 36 oranges in the ratio of 7:5. How many oranges did John get? The answer is C. Number 20. Mogodi sold a computer for 6,550 pula, making a profit of 1,750. What was the buying price of the computer? The answer is D. Number 21. Zibo is facing north. She turns clockwise to face west. What is the size of the angle that Zibo turns through. The answer is C. Number 22. Kaone exchanged 2,000 US dollar for Botswana Pula. He received 22,800 Pula from the exchange. What was the exchange rate? The answer is D. Number 23. Work out 6 whole 7 over 8 minus 4 whole 3 over 5. The answer is A. Number 24. A shopkeeper paid 3,965 Pula for 4 bicycles of the same price. What was the cost of one bicycle? The answer is D. Number 25. Work out 35.167 minus 11.379. The answer is D. Number 26. Express 41 over 4 as a decimal. The answer is A. Number 27. Dineo bought 5 pencils at 1 Pula 25 each and 3 pens at 2 Pula 50 Tebe each. How much did Dineo pay altogether? The answer is C. Number 28. What is 2 over 5 when expressed as a percentage? The answer is B. Number 29. A school had 720 pupils. During a term, 5% of the pupils were transferred out of the school. How many people were transferred out of the school? The answer is B. Number 30. What is the value of 155 divided by 25? The answer is B. Number 31. A circle is divided into 9 equal sectors. What is the size of each sector? The answer is B. Use the shape below to answer question 32. Number 32. Which of the following is a pair of parallel lines? The answer is C. Number 33. Arrange the numbers 3 over 2, 11 over 8, 8 over 5, and 5 over 4 in order of size starting with the smallest. The answer is C. Number 34. Which of the shapes below is the image of K under a translation of 3 square to the left and 4 squares down? The answer is C. Number 35. What is 10,000? Number 35. What is 10,101 when written in numerals? The answer is C. Number 36. Number 36. What is the area of the triangle Y? What is the area of the triangle XYZ shown below? The answer is A. Number 37. Number 37. What is the name of the transformation which maps shape M onto shape N? The answer is D. Number 38. A bus leaves a town at 9:45 p.m. and arrives at the next town at 11:25 p.m. How long did the bus take to travel between the two towns? The answer is B. Number 39. Mpo bought 20 bottles, each containing 2.5 liters of drink. She also bought 5 boxes, each containing 5 liters of drink. How many liters of drink did she buy altogether? The answer is B. Number 40. What is the area of the shaded region in the diagram below? The answer is C. Number 41. A farmer had TX. She later sold U of the X and remained with 2VX. Which of the following equations represent the information above? The answer is B. Number 42. Which diagram shows a rotation of 90 degrees anti-clockwise about point E from X to V? The answer is A. Number 43. What is the approximate length of the length xy given below? The answer is C. Part of the calendar is shown below. Use it to answer question 44. Number 44. An athlete attended training for 2 weeks from the 9th of June 2018. On what date did the athlete attend the last training? The answer is C. Number 45. What is the area of the shape shown below? The answer is B. Number 46. A square has a perimeter of 24 centimeters. What is the length of the square? The answer is D. Number 47. Amos rode a bicycle at an average speed of 30 km per hour for 15 minutes. How much distance did Amos cover in kilometer? The answer is C. Number 48. What is the value of 19 over 2 minus 11 over 3? The answer is C. Number 49. What is the volume of the cylinder shown below? Take pi as 3.14. The answer is A. In a magic square below, when we add the numbers in each row, each column, and each diagonal, we get the same answer. Use it to answer question 50. Number 15. What number is represented by the letter K? The answer is D. Use the information below to answer question 51. There were 11,567 cattle in a certain location. Foot and mouth disease killed 3,206 of the cattle. Number 51. Estimate to the nearest thousand the number of cattle that remained. The answer is C. Number 52. What is the value of t in the equation 2t minus 7 is equals to 11? The answer is A. Number 53. What number is represented by the letter X in the mapping below? The answer is A. Number 54. The probability that it rains on any day in a certain village is 3 over 10. What is the probability that it does not rain on any day in that village? The answer is D. Number 55. In which of the diagram below is M the line of symmetry? The answer is B. Number 56. Which shape is regular? The answer is D. Number 57. What is the name of the triangle with 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles? The answer is B. The table below shows the mass of children as recorded by a nurse from July to December. Use it to answer question 58. Number 58. Which graph is most appropriate to represent this information? The answer is C. The diagram below shows a pattern made using matchsticks. Use them to answer question 59. Number 59. How many matchsticks will be required in diagram 4? The answer is B. Number 16. A sequence is given as 6, 10, 14, 18. What is the rule of the sequence? The answer is D. That's it, basically. That's it. You know what I'm saying?